Do you know you can make extra soft akara with eggs and milk? All you need to do is soak some unpeeled beans for about 30 to 40 minutes. Add the beans in a bowl, then crack in some eggs, add full cream or evaporated milk, fresh paprika or scotch bonnet peppers, add a seasoning cube, add fresh onions, and then transfer everything into your blender.
Hello everyone, if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, drop your comment and turn on your notification bell. Always come back for more.
You can add a little water or more milk if the water is not enough, but this I did not add water because the milk and the egg already contained enough water. So cover and blend until very smooth. Doesn't matter the order you add them, just make sure the batter is smooth. When it's smoothly blended, you transfer the blended beans into a clean bowl. Add some seasoning cube if needed, salt, chopped peppers and onions, and then you mix everything properly. If the batter is too thick, add little water or milk, then mix very well until everything is fully combined. So heat up your vegetable oil, drop in some onion string first to release their flavor, then take them out. Now scoop the beans into the hot oil little by little. Don't forget to fry on medium-low heat and then watch closely so it doesn't get burnt. Once the bottom is golden brown, gently turn to the other side. Fry until both sides are well cooked. Don't mind you, I'm talking guys, I'm a bit under the weather. That's why you need to follow me and like this video. When everything are beautifully golden, take it out of the oil, and just like that you have made delicious Nigerian akara, also known as bean cake. This akara is soft, rich and full of flavor. You can pair it with pap, bread, custard or anything you like. I paired mine with garri. Now tell me in the comment section what will you be pairing yours with. Also, please don't forget to follow me, share the video, give the video a thumbs up, drop your amazing comments, and always come back for more. See you in my next video guys. Bye guys.